This video will show you how to retrofit a typical 2x4 troffer with the Sylvania Ultra LED Retrofit door kit. The kit can be used to retrofit either a parabolic or flat lens troffer. First, make sure the power is turned off. Open and remove the lens door. Remove the existing lamps. Remove the ballast cover. Disconnect the quick connect. Cut the leads on both sides of the ballast. Remove the ballast. Remove the sockets. Install the end pieces. Then install the side pieces. Fasten the end pieces to the troffer with the screws provided. Hang the retrofit troffer by inserting the posts into the track. Secure the safety straps. Attach the ground wire. Reconnect the quick connect. If 0 to 10 volt dimming is desired, hook the purple and gray wires to the incoming dimming wires. Apply the information label identifying the fixtures having been modified for LED lamps. Close the lens door. Turn power on to the fixture. Enjoy long-lasting light from your new Sylvania Ultra LED Retrofit door kit.